Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of processed cheese cube tikka. Yes, I remember I once had it in a restaurant in Mumbai. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need half cup curd, that is dahi. Whisk till the curd becomes smooth. To the curd, add 2 teaspoons roasted kasuri methi. So first roast it on a tawa or you can microwave it for a minute. Once it cools down, crush it like this. Next add turmeric, 2 to 3 pinches. Roasted cumin powder, that is zira powder. Red chilli powder as per your taste. Half teaspoon garam masala. 2 teaspoon cooking oil, you can use mustard oil or any other cooking oil. I like using mustard oil. Then add some salt to taste. Use Kashmiri Byadgi or Degi red chili powder to get more color, but you may add some additional food color. I'm using my homemade beetroot powder. This is totally organic red food color. You may skip this step of addition of color. So mix well. I forgot to add ginger garlic paste, so add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste or crushed ginger garlic. Then add 2 teaspoon cornflour. Mix well and our delicious marinade is ready. Let's move to the next step. For this recipe, I've taken 6 cheese cubes and a small sized capsicum and a medium sized onion. So this is processed cheese cube. Coat all the cheese cubes with the prepared marinade. After marinating, you don't need to marinate these for a long duration. 10 to 15 minutes is also fine. Now place the tikka gently on a skewer. Make sure you do not break the cheese cube or do not break the capsicum and onion pieces. So you need to be really careful and gentle while doing this. Our cheese tikka skewers are ready. You can bake these in your OTG at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or you can do it on a gas stove like this. You need to be very careful because you need to continue rotating it, otherwise the marinade may drip or the cheese may melt at one place and it would start dripping. So continuously rotate it. Even if you have an OTG, I would suggest that you make it on a gas stove like this. If you're doing it for the first time, gas stove would be best. So keep rotating it and as soon as you get some charring, remove it immediately. You may apply some melted butter on top of this tikka once it's done. And finally sprinkle some chaat masala. You can serve these tikkas with mint chutney or mayo. If you are a cheese lover, then you would definitely love this. I remember my friend had suggested that let's go to this restaurant, I don't remember the name, where we get a processed cheese cube tikka. I was very excited and we all loved it. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this cheesy recipe a try and enjoy!